How to add Hostinger business email to Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your preferred browser and then search for your Gmail account. Log into your account, then go to settings. After that, go to see all settings. Now go to accounts and import. After that, go to add a mail account and here simply write your Hostinger email account. Now tap on next. Now go to import emails from my other account and then tap on next. Now it will send this SSL, secure connection, and a STP. So enter your email and then tap on add account. Remember this port. Select the port that is used in your Hostinger account and your business email account from your Hostinger will be added in your Gmail. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.